This is what you'll learn today. 1. How to create a new survey. 2. How to add a short intro for participants. 3. How to organize questions. 4. How to preview your survey. 5. And finally, how to activate it and start collecting responses. Let's create your first survey. From your workspace, click Create Survey. You'll land in LimeSurvey's new editor where you can start building. By default, the survey is untitled. Give it a clear name participants will recognize. For example, Employee Pulse Check, Q1 2026. Adding Q1 2026 is optional, but useful if you plan to run this survey more than once. And don't worry about saving. LimeSurvey auto-saves everything for you. Your survey begins with a welcome screen. Here you can add a title and a short description so participants know what to expect. Keep it short and friendly. Thank them for their time, set clear expectations, and if needed, mention anonymity. For example, title, Team Pulse. LimeSurvey, description. Thanks for helping us improve. This survey takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Your answers are anonymous. That's all you need to make participants feel included and ready to start. Next, you'll see a default question group. Groups help you keep related questions together. Rename the group so it matches your topic, something participants will understand right away. For example, workload and happiness. That way, when you add more questions later, everything stays organized and easy to follow. Each new survey starts with a sample question. Let's edit it to fit your topic. First, pick the right question type. For example, multiple choice. Now, add your question text, such as, which aspects of your work currently affect your satisfaction? Then enter answer options where more than one answer can apply. Workload, work-life balance. Team collaboration, manager support, growth opportunities. Compensation and benefits. With multiple choice, participants can select all options that fit, which is perfect when preferences overlap. When you click outside the question, you'll see a preview of how it looks. Click the question again anytime if you want to make changes. Let's add another question to the same group. Click the purple plus button, choose a question type, and enter your text. Here's a fun example. What's your favorite fruit? Then add the answer options. Apples, bananas, limes. Now you've got more than one question, and you can drag and drop to reorder them anytime. At the end of your survey, you can add a short thank you message. Keep it simple and reassuring so participants feel their time was valued. For example, thanks for sharing your feedback. Your answers will help us improve. Before you launch, always preview your survey. This helps you spot problems early and reduce dropouts. Click Preview in the top bar and walk through the survey just like a participant. Check whether the questions are clear, the flow makes sense, and the selected question types work as expected. Fixing small issues at this stage saves time later and helps create a smoother experience for participants. When you're ready, click Activate Survey. This makes your survey live so you can start collecting responses. From here, you can monitor results, check statistics, and share your survey. Copy the public link or QR code to distribute it anywhere. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a survey, added an intro, organized questions, previewed it, and activated it. Your survey is now live and ready for responses. In the next lesson, we'll cover the most common question types in LimeSurvey and when to use each so you can design smarter surveys in Lime time. Thanks for watching and happy surveying!